salmon families. So 0 and then 543. 543. So 30 families would be that one. Alright, so, okay. So that was that for today. Alright. So, we're going to come back to that tomorrow. So now we're going to move on to what we're going to be working on today. So, let's see here. So I'm going to be writing some words up here on the board. And then also some lines. And then a number. So let's see here. Let's just start with an easy number. Actually, here, let me do this, because that does not make sense to put that over there. Okay. So, okay, let me write, well, let's worry about that later. So, there's two ways of looking at it. So, just like how we were looking at lines, looking from right to left, looking from left to right. And let's start looking from right to left, because these are the ones looking from right to left. So we're going to be moving on to place values. So I've written a number here, and then I've written the lines which we're going to be putting the place values, labeling the place values with that particular digit of the number. So I've started off with a simple one. And then I have written some words over here of what we're going to be getting up to. And the words are all the different places. So that includes ones, tens, hundreds, 10 hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions, and 10 millions. Okay, so these are all of the words. So we're figuring out what placements these digits are. And this is all going from right to left. So we would be starting here, and then we would be going from the right to the left. We'd be starting here, and we'd be going left and going down through all of these placements. Okay? So, here. So, if we're looking here and going from right to left, we need to start off with the very, very first placement. So 10 right here would be here. Actually, what I want you to do is, I forgot to tell you, I want you to open up your notebooks or get out a sheet of paper. Okay, and then I want you to title that, and I'm going to put the page number on there, whatever it is. Place value. I want you to do that real quick. So did everybody do that? Okay. So, on this problem. Now, as I said, we're looking at the number. We're looking at the placements. And we're looking at the placements of the digits going from right to left. And then there's a left to right way about it that I just don't want you to get confused by. So, which placement would the 0 be? Okay, exactly. The ones place. So the ones place, and then what placement would the 1 be? The tens place. Okay. So it tells you up here, but these words won't always be written out. Okay? So now that we're going to be going from left to right. So we just keep with those same words, but we add THs to them. And then thousands, ten thousands, millions, 10 millions. Okay, so with this, so from over here, we're starting on the left, moving to the right. Here we're starting on the right, moving on the left. So going from right to left, it would be, the 0 would be in the ones, and then the 1 would be in the tenths. But it also deflects upon the word and then the order of that word. So this is the ones, and this is the tens place. But if we were going from right to left, we would be starting, we would be starting moving from right to left with the ones, and then we would be moving from the left all the way to the right down these placements, and here we'll be moving from the right to the left down these placements. Okay, so there's 2 ways in 1. So this right here, the 1 would be the 1 in the ones place. So it starts over here and then it moves further right. And then the 0 would be in the tenths place. And then it's just going to go on from there with all of these other placements in that very direction here. And then these placements are going to be moving from from starting here and then moving this way. These starting there, moving that way. Okay, that also deflects upon how you're looking at the different placements and what they are, and hence the little like the little THs here and the not THs over there. So what I want you to do is I want you to write exactly that. So on the left side of your sheet or whatever, in your notebook page, you're writing down these placements. Okay, writing down these placements: ones, tenths, hundreds, 10 hundreds. Okay, with the TH on all of them. Thousands, 10,000s, millions, millions, 10 millions. Okay, and remember the difference. The ones you're writing on the left, ones moving from right to left, okay, are going to be with the THs on them. The ones moving from left, the ones moving from, I'm completely off direction now. The ones moving from left to right have the THs on them over here. Then it would just be doing all of these, but then, moving right to left. Moving from left to right, going this way, they would not have the THs on them, and this would be the ones, this would be the tens, but moving left to right, once, tenths. So you're putting all of these ones, 1/10, ones, tens, hundreds, 10 hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions, and then 10 millions. All those placements over here. Okay, on the right side, all of the ones with the THs in them. Okay, just the same ones on the left side. Okay, so that's what I want you to write in, and also write, that's all I want you to write in. Okay, and I just showed you an example one with 10 and then those 2 lines. Okay, so do that, please. Okay, so now that you have done that, we're going to be moving on to another one. Here. So we're going to be doing 35. Okay, so on 35, we're going to be going from right to left and from left to right. So who can tell me what placement the 5 would be in? Exactly, the ones. And then the 3 would be in, if we're moving from right to left, the tens. Okay, if we're moving from left to right, what would the 3 be in? But remember, it's the 1. And then the 5 would be in the tenth. Okay, I think this is too easy. So, now what we're going to be doing is, with that, I want you to close the notebooks and, put the papers away. Okay, because we're going to try more of these. Okay, so let's do 74. So going from left to right, which placement would the 7 be in? Exactly, the 1. Going from right to left, what would the 4 be in? Going from right to left, 1. Going from left to right, the 7, exactly 10. Then going from right to left, the 4, 10. Wonderful. Okay, so I think that we get it. Okay. So let's see here. Now we're going to up it a little bit, and we're going to do, say, 147. 147. So going from right to left, what would the going left to right, what would the 4 be in? What would the 4 be in going left to right? Thousandths. Wonderful. And remember the TH, DTH, and an S. Okay. Going from right to left, what would the 1 be in? Can somebody tell me? Right to left. Hundredths. And remember, not the TH, but going right to left. Okay, it would be the hundredths place, because all of these right to left, all of those left to right. Okay, so going, let's see, wait, okay, that was a little bit big. Wait a second, okay. Okay, going from left to right. Going from left to right. What placement would the 7 be in? Exactly, the 10th. So this is left to right, this is right to left. Okay, so going from right to left, what would the 4 be in? Exactly, the thousands. Okay, and then, let's see here. Going from right to left, what would the 7 be in? Yes, the tens. And then going from left to right, would the 1 be in? Okay. Alright, wonderful. That would be in, and these rows don't have to be even, by the way. It would be in the hundredths. Hundredths. Okay, so I think that you get it. I think that you understand that. So, now we're going to add one more placement in. 2, 9, 7, 5. Alright, going from right to left, what would the 9 be in? I'm going to call these out in random order. No, that would be going left to right. Right to left. Hundreds. That was small. Okay, going from left to right, what would the 7 be in? Exactly, the hundredths. Okay, going from right to left, what would the 5 be in? Yes, the ones. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Going from left to right, what would the 9 be in? Hundreds. Okay. Going from right to left, what would the 2 be in? But remember that it's the 10 hundredths. And remember on the DS, so going right to left is all over here. So right to left, left to right. Okay, so the 2 going from right to left would be in the 10 hundredths. Okay, and then going from, now let's see, the 7 from right to left. Yes, exactly. Right to left would be tens. Then the 5 from left to right. 1, once. Left to right. Okay. Let's see. The 2 from, let's see here. The 2 from, left to right. Hundredths. Okay. Although it might seem a little bit confusing to you, the 2 different directions, and I might have said something wrong along the way, I might have mixed something up, but so be it. So you have everything over there. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to try another one just like that. We're going to try another one. So one, let's do a simple one. 1, 2, 3. So what placement is the one in going left to right? Yes, the one. So remember, these same placements, but just go down the list, but in the direction. So this would be the ones, the 2 going right to left, the tens. Right to left is the tens, and the 3 going left to right. Okay, yes. Left to right would be the hundredths. Okay. Let's see here. The 2 going from left to right. Tenths. The 1 going from alright. The 1 going from right to left. Okay, thousands. So right to left, as it says here, is thousands. And then the 3 going from right to left. 3 going from right to left. Ones. Okay. Did I do them all? Okay, yeah, I think that we did them all. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit confusing if I had to admit it. Okay, but we will keep working on it. We might do some of these as warm-ups sometime. Okay, so now let's do one of those 1,000 numbers again. 7, 9, 8, 1. Okay, the 7 going from left to right. Left to right. Once. Okay, the 9 going from left to right. Tenths. Okay. That runs in 2, 8, and then 1. The 8 going from right. The 8 going from right to left. Tens. The 1 going from left to right. Yes, 10. We're going left, right to left. Left to right. It would be th. 10,000. Okay, so the 7 going from right to left. 10 hundredths. The 9 going from right to left. Yes, hundredths. Okay, the 8 going from left to right. Hundredths. Wonderful. And the 1 going from right to left. Yes, ones. So ones, 10,000ths, tens, hundredths. Okay. okay, wait, okay, hundreds, tenths, and then, this one would be ones, okay, once, 10 hundredths, okay? Alright, now I think that I probably got that maybe mixed up along the way, but I hope that I did not. Okay? So it's confusing to be able to, see both directions. Okay, so let's do a couple more. So let's do a couple more. So 29876. Okay. So what would the 6 be in going right to left? Once. Amazing. What would the 2 be in going from left to right? Yes. Once. What would the 7 be in going right to left? What would the 7 be in going right to left? Tens. Okay, the 8 going left to right. Yes, hundredths. Okay, the 2 going from right to left. Yes, thousandths. Because there's 5 places. Okay, so there's a 5th place still. Okay. The 6 going from left to right. Yes, thousandths. Wait a second. Okay, is that right? So, okay. Okay, that would not be right. Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, okay, alright, okay. So the 2 from right to left is left to right is ones, and 2 from right to left, 1 tens, hundreds, 10 hundreds, 1 tens, hundreds, 10 hundreds, thousands, DS. For that one, is there anything that I haven't done yet? Okay. And then for the 9 going right to left. Yes. Yes. 10 hundredths. Okay. Alright. So that's that one. Now let's take a break from this. Let's take a break from it, and we're going to come back to it another time. So let's do solving big numbers. So let's see here. You obviously know. Let's actually start out with addition. So let's do now 2-digit ones. So 10 plus 10. So this would be very, very easy because we're just adding, and so 0, 2. So 20. So 10 plus 10, as we know, is 20. Okay, and now let's do another one. So let's do 76 plus 55. So this is where it gets interesting. So, as you've seen before, we just answer and we just drop down. We're doing multi-digit ones and we do it down. We solve them down. So 6 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, because we're doing the touch points. But we can't put the full 11 number down now. So we carry the 1, we carry the left digit up on the upper, above the left number on the top. Okay, so then we drop down that 1 from 11 on the right. And so 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, but we don't have anything else to carry, and because there's a 1 up here, we just add 1 to it. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So the answer of that one would be 131. Okay? So, now, let's see if we can do, alright. So, okay, so 754 plus 922. Okay, so on this one, you can make any random number combination that you want to. So, obviously we start, and the way you do it is start from right to left. Go from right to left. So if we were doing it, talking about what we just did, we would be doing from there to there. So we go right to left, not left to right. So 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 9, and then we just add 9 to 7, and we just drop it down because there's nothing to carry. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that would be the answer for that one. Okay, so I think that you can all see how I got it. Okay, how I got that one. Okay, and so now let's do 98. So now let's do this one. So we're adding 8 to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11, 12. We just, add 8 to 4 is 12. And then carry the 1, because that's the left digit, upon, the next number of that top, the next digit of the top number left. So that would be the 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We carry the 1, drop the 2, and then we just add 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.